Hey guys, this is Marty B. I'm here today going to wash my dump truck. I've been out of work with surgery for the past 2.5 weeks and not allowed to do a whole lot of stuff. So hopefully I can get by with washing my dump truck without Lisa finding out. Baby. Hey Ellie, hey Ellie. What are you doing? What are you doing? You gonna help? You usually don't help. You usually get hot. Yeah, you usually get hot. You like hard noise. Oh, get up from there. Get up from there. Knock my stickers off. I knocked my magnets off. That against sun sucks about with my butt, Bonnie. Already wore out. Guys, I've got it done. It's washed off. It's not perfect by no means, but it's cleaner than it was. I've got to put my magnets back on the doors. It turned out pretty good. I've got some work that needs to be done to it. When I was backing off the road the other day, the fender was already broken here, but I helped it out, so I've got to fix that. I've got a cut on this tire right here. I'm aware of it. While I'm out with my surgery, there's not much I can do about it. I can't manhandle that. So, anyway, there it is. Enjoy.